Is your TV refusing to connect to Wi-Fi even though all your other devices work fine? This usually happens because of saved network errors on the TV, router compatibility issues, or sometimes a software glitch inside the TV system. In this video, I'm going to show you the actual solution to get this problem fixed with some easy steps. So let's begin. Solution 1. Update date and location settings. So the biggest reason of this problem is sometimes the configuration glitch your TV faces when the device date and time is not accurate. To fix it, you can go to your home menu, navigate to the gear icon in the top corner using your remote. Then open it. Now scroll down to device preferences. From here, open date and time. Open automatic date and time. Now select the use network provided time option. After that, go back to device preferences, scroll down and find the location option. Open it, open location status. Now select use Wi-Fi to estimate location from here. See if this fixes the issue or not. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to your Google TV home menu. Use your remote to navigate to the gear icon. Click OK on your remote to open settings. Now go to Network and Internet. Make sure that Wi-Fi itself is turned on here. After that, select your Wi-Fi from here and scroll down to the bottom of its setting. Choose Forget Network and confirm your choice. After that, go back to Network and Internet, find your Wi-Fi again, then re-enter your Wi-Fi password and connect again. See if that fixes the issue. And that's it. With these two solutions, your Android Smart TV should reconnect to Wi-Fi, even if other devices already work. If this helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick smart TV fixes, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.